This is my experience going to the Coldplay concert from start to finish in Madison, Wisconsin. I arrived at 6:58 p.m. I got some water. You can actually bring water in, which is nice. And you get wristbands when you walk in. You can actually see they give you these cool moon glasses, which are basically so that you can see like hearts and other cool shapes throughout the concert. And you basically just get them all at the entrance. And there's a ton of people. This is like a big concert, like 50,000 people. I've never really seen these. I don't really know what they do. I know they had them at like a Taylor Swift concert or something. But basically here I am wearing my goggles and bracelet, which activates automatically when you turn it on, when they turn it on. And basically we're in the very far back of this concert. You can see our seats. That's the board. They got these nice screens there so you can still see the people from very far away. And you can basically just put these glasses on. They call them the moon glasses, I think. And doing so, you can see all these lights turn into very cool heart shapes. Now I scratched mine, so these are my sisters that I'm actually just trying on. But you can basically see it does look pretty cool. They're kind of trippy, but yeah, they're still pretty dang cool to wear and try on. You can see that's on. And finally, just 4 minutes before the official start time, it actually just started. It was supposed to start at 8:45, but here we are at 8:41. Coldplay's out on stage, and you can see the wristbands just activate automatically, and it's like super crazy just seeing them activate for the first time. It felt like a full-on party. Like I literally said, wow. Like I was fully stunned when I saw the bracelets go on for the first time. This is like 50,000 people, which is insane. Like the whole bleacher thing was shaking, like when they're playing like Sky Full of Stars, Yellow. And like, yeah, we were basically standing the whole time. And it's also important to note, I ran 15 miles and walked 8 today. I was just walking around Wisconsin, and yeah, ton of steps, legs hurt, I felt good. And yeah, this was a pretty good concert, and I didn't really want to leave the stadium the entire time. I'm walking through a park right now, and a kid was yelling while the voiceover. But yeah, those emojis were pretty accurate. It was pretty cool. The colors are literally amazing. And again, the bleachers were shaking. This is like one of the biggest bands on earth, like Beatles type size. And you can see they make cool shapes. I don't even know how they program this, but it's so cool to see. And it took us about 30 minutes to get to our car after, and about like a 35-minute drive home. So after about an hour, we were like completely back at our hotel. And then we chilled out for the day and went back to Chicago the next day. Yeah.